So, do you want to play fetch? Look, here's a stick. This stick. A magician never reveals his secrets. Come on, what now? What is it? Sweet Hiroshima. What the hell happened to the sun? What do you think is happening? What the hell? What the heck? He just transformed. What the... What? Obvious? What's obvious about that? What just happened right now? I guess it does make sense, but what should I do? Cower and hide? Or pick up a gun and go shoot some zombies and survive? Oh, what the hell? Let's go!